party partner. I'm the guy that had yesterday the birds infiltrated my strawberry patch. I got some news for them today. It ain't gonna go how they wanted it to go. Let's see how we upgraded our situation right now. So, look at my strawberry bed. It's like, it's getting compromised. So now I gotta take these out, you know? And they wide open, man. Anybody could come in here. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take these little rocks and I'm gonna turn them into dynamite. Here we go. Just gonna rinse them up right quick. Ooh-wee. This strawberry patch is about to get a facelift. So I put some strawberries up here. I put some strawberries right next to here. Strawberries are popping, look at them. See the little teeny babies? Because at night, the birdies are, you know, even be bats over here. Yes, there's bats in Brooklyn. So I just take the strawberries and I just rebury those. I don't know why I just do. Right? Because there's seeds too. Okay. I was able to put some strawberries over here. What is? I was able to put some strawberries over here. I got strawberries over here, and I got strawberries over here too. So, abundance. I wonder if they could tell the difference. This is gonna be fun.